Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add a pop-up on Square. First, log into your SquareSpace dashboard, and then we will go to Pages. In Pages, we will go to Website Tools, and we will choose Promotional Pop-Up. Here you can see how your pop-up would look. You can change the layout for it. Once you choose the layout, then you can update the content if you wanted to update the headlines or the body to add more branded information. You could do that here. Then to display timing, you can set for when they show the pop-up. So it could be any first page that they're on or only certain pages. For timings, you can show on a timer and scroll by default. So after 5 seconds, it kind of lets them go through the page before they have this email sign up. You can add 5 seconds, 10 or 30 seconds to it. You can also set a scroll. So once they go down about 25%, then this pop-up will show. You can also set the frequency. So if they see it and they don't sign up, then you can add it to show in 30 days, 2 weeks, 1 week, the next day. And you can also set it to not show if they have signed up through the newsletter. You can also have it show on mobile, and then we'll click Save. Once we have our display and timing, if you wanted to change the style of the form, you can do that here in this menu. And this will only edit the style of the pop-up. Once you have that to your liking, then you could go to Action and set the action for what happens when they click this button. If you wanted them just to sign up for the newsletter, you could do that here. Have the placeholder text and a subscribe. The button here, you can change that here. And a disclaimer, which will be listed here. You can update that disclaimer here. If you wanted to do just to click a button, you can have your buttons here. For the email, for storage, it'll be set to your email campaigns. You can also connect MailChimp and Google Drive to this to store that email address. You also have verification. So a confirmation email will be sent once they hit subscribe. Then if you want to turn on your reCAPTCHA, because that allows you to prevent spam emails to come through. So you may still get spam email addresses by input, but this is for different bots. If they have malware, there will be an invisible reCAPTCHA here. Then post submit. Once they submit this email address, you can have a message displayed. By default, it just says thank you. And if you need to add any HTML, you can add that here. Once you have it set, then you will go back to your promotional pop-up menu and you will toggle on display pop-up. Then you will click save. So that is how to add a pop-up on SquareSpace.